Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see an important topic, that is capital budgeting, and this particular topic is purely related to the subject financial management. So what is capital budgeting? We know that the allocation of funds of a concern mainly depends on the investment decision. So it is a choice of asset such as short-term or current asset and long-term or fixed asset or where funds will be invested. So the investment decision which relates to the long-term or fixed asset is known as capital budgeting. Whereas the investment decision which relates to the short-term or current asset is known as working capital management, or we can say current asset investment decision. So here we are going to learn only the capital budgeting. So we are concentrating on long-term assets, or fixed assets. So we can say that investment decision relating to the long-term or fixed asset is known as capital budgeting. And this capital budgeting is also known as capital expenditure decision or long-term investment decision. So what is capital budgeting? We can say that capital budgeting is the planning of capital expenditures which provide yield over a number of years. In other words, it is the firm's decision to invest its fund more efficiently in long-term activities against an anticipated flow of future benefits over a number of years. So thus, under capital budgeting, the proposed capital expenditure and their financing are considered, and project assuring the most profitable use of given resources are undertaken. In the words of Charles T. Holmgren, capital budgeting is a long-term planning for making and financing proposed capital outlay. So a similar view has been expressed by Max D. Richard and Paul S. Greenlow, and they said that capital budgeting generally refers to acquiring inputs with long-term returns. So we can say that it is a decision-making process through which a business concern evaluate the purchase of various fixed assets for expansion, replacement, etc. And according to Gitman LJ, capital budgeting refers to the total process of generating, evaluating, selecting, and following up on capital expenditure alternative. So what are the process of capital budgeting? There are various steps involved in capital budgeting process, but they are purely dependent upon certain factors such as the size of the concern, nature of the project, their numbers, complexities, diversities, and so on. So according to Quinn and G. David, the following 5 steps are involved in the process of capital budgeting. They are project generation, project evaluation, project selection, project execution, and follow-up. So what is project generation? The first step towards capital budgeting is to generate a proposal for investment. So it could be addition of a new product line or expanding the existing one, or it could be a proposal to either increase the production or reduce the cost of output. So the first step towards capital budgeting is project generation. Second one, project evaluation. So this process deals with judging the suitability and desirability of a project by applying various criteria. So we are applying various criteria to identify the suitability and desirability of the project. So thus, the process of project evaluation involves estimating the cost, estimating the benefit in terms of cash flow, and also selecting an appropriate criteria for judging the desirability of the project. So here the total cash flow, that is the total cash inflow or cash outflow along with certain risk, they have to be analyzed thoroughly. That is project evaluation. The next important step is project selection. So this step deals with screening and selecting the project. So usually the projects can be screened at various levels of management, but the final approval of them should be given by the top management. So that is project selection. Another important step in capital budgeting is project execution. So after the projects are selected, the funds are to be allocated for them. So such a formal plan for the allocation of fund is known as capital budget. So the top management or the executive committee, they should ensure that the funds are spent according to the allocation made in the capital budget. So that is the fourth step, that is project execution. The last step is follow-up. So follow-up deals with comparison of actual performance with the budgeted data. Here we are comparing the budgeted data with the actual performance. So this will ensure better forecasting and also help in sharpening the technique of forecasting. So these are the various steps involved in capital budgeting. For the viewers, I would like to share a quote. One who fears failure limits his activities. So failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. Thank you so much. So please subscribe my channel for further valuable notification and see you in the next video.